Hello friends, I am going to show you what are the activities done for maths in classroom. It could be a group or it could be a individual activity also. You can also try this. This is for only for grades 1 and 2. So the first activity for the topic is comparison of numbers. This you can do for class 1 and class 2 also. Whenever it is a comparing numbers, we are using crocodile mouth, that is greater than and lesser than. So I have tried with some number cards. You can see the number cards and they have to pick any two cards and they have to arrange the numbers accordingly. They are trying with a greater and lesser than symbol. So it is a hands-on activity. You can try even for grade 2 also. The next topic is for money. Like they have done a shopping. You can see the activity, like they have brought so many toys and they have given a price tag for this and they have displayed, and some students are coming and buying with the duplicate money. Actually, detail about this I have done a separate video also. Like when they are bringing the things from home, they are very happy, and whatever available, please ask them to bring and they can do this activity. This is done for both grade 1 and grade 2, but the level alone little bit changed. So the next activity is for patterns. This is like they have enjoyed so much. After introducing pattern, they've asked to bring some colors and we have given an outline picture and they have to keep thumbprint and they have to create a design. You can see the beautiful design has come and it was given as a group activity. So they have enjoyed and they have shared their ideas, and some of them have all done a very good picture. The next one is ascending order. So whenever ascending order, when we give in writing, they get bored. So in that case, you can just give the number cards and tell them to arrange in ascending order. This is done for grade 1. Even you can do for grade 2 with 3-digit numbers. Grade 4 for 4-digit. Even grade 5, 5, 6 digits you can give the numbers. They have to just read and pick up. Always instead of writing, they can do these type of activities. It's quickly you can evaluate this. Next is for 2D shapes. So the activity tried a different thing. In the floor, I have drawn all the shapes like triangle, square, rectangle. So each group have to run and suppose if I'm saying the shape starts with O, they have to run and stand in oval. You can see they're standing in oval. If I am saying the shape which has 3 sides, so they have to go and run and stand in triangle. So like they enjoyed this activity and they were waiting for their turn also. This is place value. So always whenever there is a place value, they will be getting confused. So I told them to bring some objects. So when I was saying 5 ones, they have to keep 5 objects. When I'm saying 6 ones, 6 objects. When it comes to 10 ones, they have to say 10 ones make 110. So when they were doing the object, the concept was more clear. You can see them, they are just counting and they are doing this. This can be done with individual this one, so that you can evaluate also. You can help, just you have to go around and you have to check. Next is odd and even numbers. This is done for grade 2. Here they have to bring some objects from home and they have to find out. Suppose if I'm saying 10, they have to keep 10 and they have to pair it up. If it is, there is nothing is left out, they have to say it is even. Suppose one is left out, they have to say as odd. Actually, this is the introduction. They have brought sticks, spoons, blocks, and they enjoyed, and you can see that completely engaged. So this is done for grade 2. Next is 2D shapes. Another activity also I have done, like end of the shapes done. So they have to bring some chapati dough or clay and some toothpicks and they have to make the shapes. You can see the whole class done with complete engagement because they are doing and they know the shapes. From this I have asked a question like how many sides you have used to make a triangle, how many sticks you have used, how many balls they have used. So they have even their fine motor developed here and their math logic also developed here. This is for grade 1. Next is same thing but for grade 2 I have done with 3D shapes. So here they have done little bit exploring like a cube, cuboid, pyramid they have done. You can see pyramid also done. So since they have already know 2D shapes in first standard, grade 2 it was easy for them to do this. So when they do like this in lifelong, they will never forget this concept. Next is patterns. So whenever I have introduced a pattern, I told please collect something from home which that has patterns. So you can see they have brought some towels, they have brought some pillows, then kerchief. Even those who didn't bring also, just they started searching from their lunch bag, whatever the towel they have, and they could explain the pattern. Next is pattern objects. Not only the towel, kerchief, even they brought some hair bands. You can see she's explaining with the hairband, bangle, and even the kerchief. So they're very clear when we are doing with activities and objects. This is 3D shapes, daily life objects. Like they have to bring all the 3D shapes, cube, cuboid, whatever available. You can see small containers that has cylinder shape they have brought. So when I'm asking, please show your cubes, they have showed this. So that this can be done for evaluating also. So like students actually enjoy the activities when you do linked with the daily life. So please ask them to bring some objects. Suppose we are teaching vegetables or fruits, tell them to bring one, just so that really they are engaged. So they love my classes only mainly because of these activities. Thank you.